Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. Here is your daily dose of SafeMoon news, updates, technical analysis, all that kinds of stuff. I do cover other stuff in other videos as far as regarding cryptocurrencies. Sometimes I'll even delve a little bit into the stock market stuff. So if you guys want to check out my channel more and you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button as well on this video. It's greatly appreciated. It helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Also click the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video. I want to go ahead and start off by letting you guys know that I did upload a video yesterday. I put a ton of research into this video about how SafeMoon could logically actually hit $1. And I know that sounds absolutely insane to you guys if you're brand new to cryptocurrencies or you guys just haven't looked into this enough. But I did a lot of research. I looked into comparable markets. I broke down fractional allocations of this space of what SafeMoon is trying to do into those industries and how that just kind of translates over into everything, and to kind of show the potential behind something like SafeMoon, especially as years go by with this project, right? So if you guys want to check that out, it'd be absolutely awesome. And if you do share that video on social media, please make sure you use hashtag SafeMoon, hashtag SafeMoonArmy, that kind of a thing. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to get the word out on that video, put a lot of work into it, and there's some really, really valuable information in it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop on over to some of the news that's going on, and then I'll take a look over here at the charts themselves. I also want to mention real quick that I am on Twitter at CryptoAtlasYT. You guys can see my handle down below. So feel free to go drop me a follow there. I do tweet out stuff about SafeMoon. I tweet out stuff about Bitcoin, some of the other cryptocurrencies from time to time. It's a great way to stay up to date with a lot of stuff, and I try to make it fun too. So anyways, 1.5 million SafeMoon wallet addresses. This is the holders. This is huge. I mean, to put this into perspective, we hit 27 million holders for Bitcoin in the United States like a week ago. 27 million for Bitcoin. But I am referencing just in the United States when I say that, and I really want to stress that. This is for the whole world. There's 1.5 million for SafeMoon. Big difference is Bitcoin's been around longer, obviously, has more credibility behind it, a lot more institutional investments for it, more utilage, more use cases, that kind of a thing. Now with SafeMoon, it's only been about 2 months. So 1.5 million holders for something like this is massive, and it's still growing, right? That's the other thing too. Their Twitter account is absolutely killing it as well. And wait, what? Oh, I guess I was looking at more info and stuff. Okay, this Sunday we will showcase a preview of the SafeMoon wallet. So they have an AMA that they like to do, typically 2 times a week. One is normally informal and one is more formal. The one on Sundays are supposed to be formal. So this is insinuating that they will be doing an AMA on Sunday, as they mentioned that this is going to be Sunday showcase, right? If they for some reason don't do it, then more than likely there would be like a video demonstration or something, because this doesn't specify that they're doing it during the AMA, but more than likely they're going to be doing an AMA. So this is one rollout that a lot of people have been looking forward to. It sounds like they're getting very close to getting that done. They are also now officially on the MXC exchange. Keep that in mind that we have another exchange that has been now added. So this was discussed and announced previously, but the actual rollout, it's something you can go on MXC and formally be able to actually get SafeMoon off of there and trade it. Somebody else mentioned this. This is pretty interesting. He took a look at the charts and he said, so there's a gap of 10 to 15 days between each all-time high with SafeMoon. Again, please keep in mind we don't have a lot of data to reference as of the moment here since SafeMoon is so new, but this is based on the research that he found. Also, each run needed less market capitalization to break previous all-time high, meaning if we hit 4 billion market capitalization again, it'll breeze past 0.0000149. Power tokenomics. And he actually tagged me in this too, which I appreciate you tagging me if you're watching this, Don. Then, shout outs to the research that you found. Really like it, dude. The 4-digit zeros that you see, we are currently using 5-digit zero places. 5-0-digit places. I don't know what just happened with that sentence. So this would be moving over closer and closer towards a single cent position for the denomination, okay? So this is huge if this is actually true and how it plays out. I'm going to take a look at the charts here and see what I'm kind of noticing with things. but this is based off of his own research as well. And keep in mind, he mentions the 4 billion market cap. I'm actually going to be referencing that here in just a second. Once again, if you guys want to check me out on Twitter, I'm at CryptoAtlasYT. Also for SafeMoon, they have burned a little bit more. Okay, so we were moving at about 1 trillion of their tokens being burned a day. Things have been going pretty sideways, quieting down, even though they're getting more wallet holders and they're going on to more exchanges. And we were seeing this with a lot of cryptocurrencies over the last 2 weeks or so, just kind of flatlining or dipping hard. So that's something to keep in mind. So we're getting closer and closer now to 412 trillion burned. That means out of 1 quadrillion where they started with, and I know that's a super high number, keep in mind they've burned 411 trillion of those that 1 quadrillion amount. So they've got approximately 588.48 trillion of these tokens that are currently left. All right, so now I'm going to hop on over to the charts here. So you mentioned the 10 to 15 day period, right? Unfortunately, with this chart, I can't go back enough from where we hit this peak back on April 20th. So I just got it as close as I could. Keep in mind, this is about 2 days off. That previous spike was probably just a little bit higher before it had some pullback down. So this is pretty close. It's not 100% accurate. It's pretty close. I'll also keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion, my own point of view. Encourage you guys to do more research on your own, right? But taking a look at this, it's approximately about 780% of an increase from that low position all the way to the high. So what I decided to do for one is to measure this out using the variable factor that he shared on his Twitter account for the most extended length of period of time. That would push us over, just FYI, to, where did it go? Where'd my date go? Why is it not showing my date now? Okay, well, anyways, this was approximately May 4th. I have no idea why it's not showing the date now. It did show it here just a little bit ago. So I clicked something and I'm not aware of. It was about May 4th, May 5th. Specifically, I think it's May 5th because it's also suggesting that today is where we break above the all-time high for that first range. And he said 10 to 15 days. And more than likely, not going to happen in the next 2 hours, right? We got quite a bit of a gap there unless some major player comes in. Anyways, so if I went ahead, or sorry, if SafeMoon goes ahead and decides to climb 780% once again at some point, doesn't mean that it's going to be the next all-time high. Let me clarify that. But if it decides to climb the same amount of percentage again from what it did back there, that would push this up to approximately the 83129 position. So you still got 4 zeros from down here. This is 5. So we move up 1 0 digit position, okay? And this would be at the 8346 level. Now, doing a little bit of math, right? This is what I came up with. In the first instance, which is down here, the 48 trillion, if we kept a 4 billion market capitalization, which is the highest that we've achieved so far. So if we got back up to that, because we're a little bit down right now, and we were able to attain that price point, the one I just showed you guys right up here, that would mean we would have to have 48.457 trillion coins that are left in circulation. That means we would have to have burned 951.5 trillion of the 1 quadrillion tokens. That's a lot. So just keep in mind that's with a 4 billion market capitalization. The higher that we go with the market capitalization, then this number starts to change. And it's going to be easier to achieve because we've got a lot of tokens still left, right? But it's also going to be kind of hard to get a higher price point because you need a lot of activity and etc. So anyways, if we go up double and we put that to say 8 billion, we would need 96.9. That's this next number that you guys can see right here. 96.9 billion, or sorry, 96.9 trillion coins that remain. Again, not burned, because we've already burned way more than this. So we need to have left approximately 96.9 trillion of these coins to have an $8 billion market capitalization, to have the same, roughly the same percentage gains as what we had during that last big bull run. So again, I'm not specifying that the next all-time high is going to be at these levels. Is it possible? Yes. Is it likely to happen? Probably not. Okay, we're probably going to have a lower all-time high, then go down, go sideways, and then go on another run, and then hit this at some point. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I do have referral links in the description, so if you guys want to earn some free cryptocurrencies, I have referral links for Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi. You can earn up to $250 in bonus crypto using my affiliate referral link for BlockFi in the comments. In the description. And I've also got a referral link for Robinhood and for Webull. So if you guys want to get involved in stocks, you can get some free stocks with that too. That does it for this episode. Let me know what you guys think, if you're bullish or bearish on SafeMoon and why, in the comments down below. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.